Morning and welcome back, or at least for me it's the morning. Recently I've just been in a funk, don't want to do anything, nothing sounds fun, and all I have to say is that I blame winter and like the lack of sunlight and how cold it is. I just wanted to start this vlog out and say that I'm gonna try and do a day in a life. We're gonna start out at the gym. I haven't been in the gym in probably a year. But the point is that we're going to try, and I need an environment of like a gym, like an actual gym to push me to actually work out. So that's why I'm here. And as of right now, the parking lot is so full and there's people pulling up all around me. So I'm just gonna go, okay? No, never again. Why do my shoes feel heavy? I should take those off. Why do my shoes feel heavy? My legs are like jello. I could barely even run a half a mile. But I finished it. I'm exhausted. I'm sweating. I barely even did a workout. And I don't ever want to do that again. I think I might like stick with at-home workouts or a Pilates video at home on YouTube. I don't know. Never again. Don't recommend. Now I'm at the grocery store. I'm gonna pick up a couple ingredients for lunch/dinner. I'm gonna make some like beef enchilada tortellini noodle type casserole. It's really good. We've had it before. So I'm gonna pick that up, and I kind of want to wear my headphones while I'm in there so I don't like, I don't know. I kind of just feel like wearing them. After that, I'm gonna go home. I might do some cleaning too today at some point. The lighting in here makes my hair look really freaking weird because it's black on black. Anyways, yeah, I'm at the store. Let's go get some freaking food, okay? It is getting late, so I'm going to start to get unready. While we ate dinner, we just watched a movie, and then afterwards, I've just been rotting, scrolling through TikTok. I know I really need to stop doing that, and instead of scrolling on TikTok, I should be like reading a book or doing some little craft or whatnot, but I just haven't been in the mood. I'm not gonna do much for skincare. I just want to keep my face hydrated, so this is all I'm gonna do. The snail mucin. While we wait to let this soak in, I've been so intimidated by reading actual physical copy books, so this is gonna be difficult to show, but I want your recommendation. If you see a book on here that I have that I should read, let me know. Okay, just kidding. That's gonna be way too hard to do. I'm just going to go ahead and put one of the like jump cuts or like video in a video right here of my Kindle screen on my phone. So if you see a book on my Kindle that you recommend I should read next, let me know. Or just give me a recommendation of a book and I might have it on my physical bookshelf. Thanks in advance. Let's go to the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. Come on. To end the night out, I am going to have some tart cherry juice, and I know the besties already told me that in order for this to work you have to have the magnesium powder, which I don't have. I just enjoy the taste of the tart cherry juice. With that, I'm gonna go ahead and end out this vlog here. I feel like this vlog was like kind of short. Maybe it's not. But I hope you guys enjoyed my little day in the life. If you have any video suggestions, let me know. If not, that's okay too. Have a good night.